We were doing English language, right? Open page number 13. Page number 13. Everyone open page number 13. Till 12 we have done. Now we will do page number 13, right? Today we will do page 13 and this will be the last of the chapter, and I'll send you exercises in copy also today. So you can complete those exercises. Children, we are studying the chapter 1 and me. I told you about one and what is one and what is many. One means when we talk about singular person, or when we talk about one place, one animal, one thing. Okay, जब नाउन सिंगल नाउन होता है तब दैट इज कॉल्ड वन, मीन सिंगुलर नाउन. मैनी मतलब प्लूरल, मैनी मीन्स प्लूरल नाउन. So what is plural? When we talk about more than one means either 2, 3, 4, whatever number. But it's not one. It is more than one. So when we talk about more than one, then that is called plural number. Okay. And I also told you how we'll know that this is plural. In plural, what do we add? We add s or es. Okay. Now today we are going to study one more rule related to es. So open page number 13. Everyone, page number 13 in the book. We add es to naming words that end in s, o, ss, sh, x और ch to show many. Children, अगर कोई भी word अगर last में s end होता है, how come s? How will you know the word is ending with s? आप जब स्पेलिंग देख रहे हो like DRESS, ड्रेस, ड्रेस वर्ड, व्हाट डू यू सी? ड्रेस वर्ड में आपको क्या दिख रहा? व्हाट यू कैन सी? DRESS, एस लास्ट में है ना? देयर इज एस एट द लास्ट. ओके, देन ओ, देन SS, देन SH, X और CH. अगर ये सारे वर्ड्स आपके ऐड होते हैं ES में, नेमिंग वर्ड्स में, देन यू विल ऐड ES टू द प्लूरल. मतलब अगर कोई वर्ड आपका, कोई भी वर्ड, इफ एनी वर्ड इज गिवन टू यू एंड उस वर्ड का लास्ट वर्ड अगर S है, या लास्ट वर्ड लाइक ड्रेस में क्या है? लास्ट में S है ना, DRESS. एंड इफ द लास्ट वर्ड इज O, लाइक पोटैटो, पोटैटो में देखिए लास्ट में O है. सो अगर इफ एट द लास्ट इज S, लास्ट वर्ड इज O, लास्ट वर्ड इज डबल S, जैसे ड्रेस में था SS था, SH है. SH वाला वर्ड कौन सा होगा? बुश, BUSH. SH वाले वर्ड जिसके एंड में ये वर्ड्स आते हैं, X और CH. X is coming, box. BOX is what? X is coming at the last, right? Then CH is coming at the last, which. Then ostrich is there, bunch is there. Bunch में देखिए क्या होता है स्पेलिंग? BUNCH. So you have to learn कि अगर जो वर्ड्स जिनके लास्ट में S comes और O comes और SS comes, CH comes और X comes, स्पेलिंग जब फिनिश होती है तो स्पेलिंग लिखने के बाद व्हेन यू राइट द स्पेलिंग, हार्ड वर्ड लिखते हो बेटा अपना, तो उसमें जो लास्ट स्पेलिंग लिखने के जो लास्ट में जो दो लेटर होंगे उनको देखना है, सिंगल लेटर और लास्ट के लेटर्स को देखना है. यस अगा, यस अगा, व्हाट हैपेंड? यस, yes, go. Children, everyone see in the book, see in your book, पेज नंबर 13, ये वाला जो बॉक्स है, दिस रेड बॉक्स, you all see this red box. Okay, so what you can see, we add es to naming words that end in, देखिए बुक में वो वर्ड्स लिखे हुए जो मैं आपको बता रही, what I am telling you, Pavni see in book these words are only, आपको स्पेलिंग में नोटिस करना है, योर स्पेलिंग मस्ट हैव दीज वर्ड्स। अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग में जो भी वर्ड आपको प्लूरल में चेंज करना है, यू नो प्लूरल में क्या करते हैं, ओनली एस लगा देते हो जाता है, बट बेटा इस तरह के वर्ड जिनके लास्ट में एस आता हो, ठीक है, या डबल एस, ओ, एस एस एच, एक्स और सी एच, स्पेलिंग पे फोकस करना है पहले, खास तौर से इफ स्पेशली दीज स्पेलिंग्स कम, जिनके एंड में ये सब है, यू विल एड ई एस टू द नेमिंग वर्ड्स। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए, एवरीवन सी द एग्जाम्पल इन द बुक, गैस, गैसेस, टोमेटो, टोमेटोज, बॉस, bosses, wish, wishes, fox, foxes, match, matches, ठीक है ना। अब यहाँ पे मैच, MACTH, तो यहाँ पे एस नहीं लगना है, ES लगना है, क्या लगेगा, ES, फॉक्स, foxes, wish, wishes, ओके, बॉस, bosses, tomato, tomatoes, gas, gases, ओके। Okay, now everyone do this first exercise. 1 to 5 अपने आप से करो. Do on your own 1 to 5. 1 is done in the book lunch, lunches. Now you will add es. Only आपको es रखना है. But children, this is easy. You are adding es to the word. But make sure आपको spelling पे ध्यान देना है कि आपकी spelling के end में, if in the end s is there, o is there, double s, sh, x और ch, तो आपको ईएस तभी लगाना है, एल्स नहीं लगेगा। कीप इन योर माइंड दिस रूल। अभी तो बहुत सिंपल लगेगा, बट इन योर माइंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट। नाउ कम ऑन, डू दिस एक्सरसाइज एवरीवन, डू दिस एक्सरसाइज। Vanya, what are you doing? What is this? Mute your microphone and then sit. Are you writing or not? Hello. चल रही होगी, स्टार्ट हो गई, मैंने भेजा है लेकिन। हाँ तो खोलिए ना, अभी तो टेक्स्ट खोल रही हूँ। अरे Yes, show me the book. Yes, who is this? Askari Neelam Rizvi. Okay, very good. Yes, Mohammad Abdul Rahman is also very good. Then, very good, Mohammad Abdul. Now, who is the next? Garima Gupta. Yes, Garima Gupta is also done. Okay, okay, okay. Then where is Arav Jain? Arav Jain, you have done? Arav? Yes, Arav has done. Divyanshi Pal has done. Divyanshi has done so many. Very good, Divyanshi. Artiman is also done. Mohammad Hadi has done. Very good, Hadi. Then Artiman has done. Then what? Who is there? Where is Arsh Agarwal? Arsh Agarwal has done. Yes. And nobody else is showing me the work. Only few have shown. Mishita is also done. Very good, Mishita. Okay, who is this? Abiha. Abiha is also done. Abiha, what have you done? Okay, okay, okay. I can't see potatoes. Oh, just show me your work. Okay, I hope this exercise is very clear to you. Very nice, very nice. Okay, next who is Abiha is doing. Abhiya बेटा थोड़ा writing potatoes आप कैसे writing potatoes and dishes I can't understand this writing. Glasses you have written okay and bus also, but आपने उधर जो word लिखे potatoes this one it's थोड़ा सा clean लिखिए बेटा tidy जा रहा है it's getting untidy. Now Evelyn has also done very good Evelyn. Evelyn has done all very good. Then is Tashi. Tashi show me the Tashi show me your work. Okay, okay, okay. Keep the book down. Good. Tashi writing is also good. Varnika, show me. Come on, very good. Varnika is also done complete work. Very good, Varnika. The writing is nice. Next, who is there? Evelyn. Okay, beta. Where is Myra Asim? I saw her joining the class. Who is this? Evelyn. Down. Ridham Agarwal. Where is your book? Ishita Gupta. Ridham, show me the book. Ridham, I don't know what is the problem with your camera. बेटा कुछ भी नहीं दिखता कभी भी आपकी क्लास में. आव्या. आव्या कालंत्री. Avya Kalantri, nothing visible. Okay, okay, okay. Avya. Yes, Pavni, the work. Good. Vanya Verma has done very good, Vanya. Vanya, okay, mute microphone, beta. Vanya, mute करी है. Yes. Okay. Please don't open the microphone. Amrit, this Garima Gupta, your microphone was opened. Shaurya Vahi is opened. Yes. What you are asking? Who is asking this? Amrita, this Garima Gupta, you are asking anything? Yes, Akshara, what happened? Yeah, in every word, es will be added. Nothing else. See, I'm telling you the spelling, children. Once again, you check your book. Okay. Okay, Divyanshi, keep the book down. I've seen your work. Anvi, show me the work. I am going to tell you the answer orally. Where you will add es and where s. Just tell me once again. When I'll send you the image, then you can confirm you have done right or wrong. See, bus is there. You will add the spelling buses. So spelling will be BUSES. आप ES ऐड करोगे यहाँ पे buses में. Then potatoes also, आप potato की spelling लिखोगे and you will add ES. Potatoes हो जाएगा. Same spelling copy करने के बाद ES लगाओगे. Similarly, glasses also you will add ES. In glasses also you will add ES. Dishes also ES. There will be no change in the spelling. Same spelling, you will add ES. Then ashes. Ash मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? जो राख होती है जब बर्न हो जाता है पेपर क्या निकलता है? That is ash. So here also you will add ES. Buffalo also you will add ES. Box also, brush also. I feel सब में ES add होगा. Every word you will be adding es. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई change नहीं है. In this exercise every word you have to add es. कहीं भी s add नहीं करना है. Same spelling after copying the same spelling you will add es. Okay. Okay, now Akshara, you have done. Show me the work. Okay, Akshara, आप absent बहुत रहते हो. Any reason? I just wanted to know any reason, Akshara. ओके अब बेटा एब्सेंट मत होइएगा. ओके. Okay, Shaurya, show me the. Shaurya is not shown. Yes, Shaurya, you have to work hard on your writing. आरतीमान कुमार also done. आरतीमान थोड़ा writing पे work करो बेटा. बहुत मतलब it's not clear your writing. Shaurya and Artiman Kumar, both of you work on writing. Okay, now children, this class is over. Today one exercise I will give you. What exercise I'll give you? Definition today. Okay, पहले हम लोग definition करेंगे copy में. So I'll give you the definition to write in your notebook. First you write the definition in your copy, put today's date, chapter name, and जैसे मैम वर्क देंगे आपको अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपी नंबर 2, आई होप सो कॉपी नंबर 2 है. You have to do that, and one exercise I'll send you, that also you will do in your language copy. So children, this is all for today. Okay, bye.